Hi, how are you?
I'm alright. I'm Rafal Mackowiak from Britplas. We window curtain walling manufacturer operating in Woolston, close to Warrington, with our own factory facilities, and we basically making everything from pricing, going through the design, manufacturing, and installing. We've got everything in-house in our company.
Great. So, are you embarking on a BIM journey or dealing with BIM projects? It's great to have a manufacturer here today, so an interesting angle.
Oh, we early days, we starting with BIM. We trying to make it right. So we've been searching around, speaking to the architects and our clients, what are their requirements. And because we operate in the niche market as well with our own products, we start in creating our families. So we make an investment buying the software, making the things right, creating our own families, and that's what we will be publishing very shortly on our website to make sure everybody can use our families in their models.
So, it sounds like you guys are making good advances in that sense. What have been the people implications for your business adopting this BIM strategy?
Oh, first of all, we have to buy the right software package, make sure we can do it, and then we try to now implement the BIM Coordinator, so somebody who will take a lead on that process, who will speak more within the right people, asking them what is actually required, and that team will be growing as required. As we will be getting the right inquiries from a client, we will be making that team bigger. As you appreciate, some of the jobs might require just a couple hours sharing the families, but some of them will require the full-time work within the model on weekly basis to make sure it's up to date.
So, do you think there's some training implications for the team, as well as this one role that you're creating?
Oh, of course, we starting with one, and then this person will be taking the lead, and we will be adding to the team as required. It might be growing to, I don't know, 5, 10 as we go in. Depends, how quick the company will be growing and how many projects we will be getting. So it is a difficult question, but we will be monitoring and adding resources as we go in.
Great. So, how's the adoption of BIM affecting the way you work? We've talked about the people implications there. What about the way you work, the way you do practice internally?
Oh, at the moment, the biggest advantage will be that if we will get the early days engagement with a client, we will have to start drawing the things different way. Instead of starting with AutoCAD, we actually start with the right specification, start creating them families and drawing the Revit model and making the manufacturing drawing from that, not like we're doing at the moment, just drawing 2D and manufacturing from that. So it will be more coordinated process, yeah, which will affect us.
So, as a manufacturer, what attracted you to come to this event? This is a full workflow, project orientated event. It's full of architects, contractors, a few clients in there, councils. What would bring a manufacturer to this event?
Oh, first of all, we would like to see where we're sitting against everybody else in the industry. We would like to see what the people expecting from us, what level of details we have to produce, what is our actual contribution, if we should stay at level 2 or should we move to level 3. We try to talk to the people to make sure we prepare for that big change in the industry which happening.
Great. So you see that BIM offers a commercial success for yourselves. What in bullet point form are those commercial successes?
Oh, first of all, if we will be fully up to speed with BIM, we will have our own families who can help the clients. Obviously, as it's a requirement on all the government projects, it will put us a step ahead of our competitors. So from our side, we want to always be on the top and driving the process, not trying to catch up. And I think lots of clients recognizing now that they need to be in front as well to get the works from their clients, and that's where we want to be.
Okay, one final question, just a bit of an impromptu one. What have you thought about the day? Have you enjoyed it? If you enjoyed the event, would you come back? And kind of what things have you found of value?
I think it was very useful presentation. It was brief in some aspects, but I appreciate it. We cannot go too detailed, but at least it outlined all the requirements and basically highlighting all the drivers. So that will help us, thinking what we should doing, which type of training we should put in place, where we should be over the next 12 months, so that give us a better understanding by looking and speaking to the people today, where we should go really with it. Yeah.
Great. Well, thanks for the interview, and safe journey.